Welcome back to another episode of Diagnostic Dennis. Got a 2008 Cadillac SRX with a 3.6 HVAC. Air conditioning, we got 50 degrees on the driver's side, and the passenger side, this says 150, but it's a little dramatic, clearly. So I'll put it in the driver's side. Switch over here to verify our equipment. Come down 79, 75. So I'm going up to 140. Oh, so it might be pulling 150. Might be accurate there. So 58. So what we got is dual climate controls, driver temperature, motor command, and counts. And then we got a actual position, 53, and then the temperature, 68. It's in even numbers, so it should be 68. Oh wow, odd number. But then it skips 70, so that doesn't make much sense. But 69, gonna go down to 60, and we're seeing the drop. Goes down to 62 minimum, go back up. I can feel a slight change, not much. It's only 60 to 70. Let's go back down. 61, we're gonna be looking at passenger side. So right here we got door position and counts 207. Passenger command 53. There's the problem. 62. So the control head is working, sending the signal out to the actuator. So let's verify power at ground and hopefully a potentiometer signal of some sort. And then on that, I'll show you the code real quick. 146 now. Wow. And it is a B0418 Temperature Control 2 Circuit Actuator stuck, current and history. So blend door 2 passenger circuit actuator stuck. So let's verify power ground and just see some sort of movement on one of the wires. Well, welcome to the belly of the beast. There she blows, right there. Here's the blower motor resistor of some sort. Okay, well anyways, yep, out there. And they did a great job in putting the heater core pipes right in the way of the top bolt, top screw on the top right hand corner. So I don't know how I'm gonna get it out, but I got this one a little loose. And gonna try and get that guy. See if I can get a light up in there. Oh, it's not in my face. Right there. Stupid. Got the blower motor resistor because there is no way to get to it. So I guess right now I could check electrical, but I might as well check electrical and watch it move. But yeah, this pipe, man. Why would you guys do this? Man, everyone's doing the driver's side. I guess I'm lucky. I'm doing it. Oh, No. Doing it with the, because the short guy's right there. So long Phillips bit. I was using the Easy Red, but it was giving me too much flex I didn't need. So keep it straight, right angle. Just doing it. We're getting there. We'll get her out. I promise. There it is. Gonna be hard to show. Alright. Whoa. Hey, how's it doing? As you can see, here's the passenger side air temperature control motor 2. Air mix motor, blend door motor, whatever you want to call it. SAE, Standard Automotive Engineers, please make a term for this and let's just all call it that. But you know how manufacturers are. So anyways, oh, there's the door. She's free flowing. So most likely the actuator, obviously. It's a warm one today in California. Get the windows open, doors open. The point is, it's a little cold on both sides. Blow. Cool on the other. So I'm gonna move the door. In the upright position. And now we got heat. Core pipe. So tech tip, do the job when it's cold. So now let's press some buttons. Well, let's press some buttons with the scanner and let's watch the actuator move. Alright, I haven't put the scope on it yet. Part's coming tomorrow, so I have some time. So here's the passenger side. I'm gonna hit hot. We went all the way to 90 degrees. And actually this is the desired and the actual matching each other now. Full heat, 206, 207 counts. So now we're gonna go down on the counts. That arm is stuck. We got command. Nothing. So from this, I got the temperature. So now the testing I can do is do key on, be quieter. I just want to do some voltage checks and I'm done. So here's the, oh, it's mode. Recirc, air temp left, and air temp right. 5 wires. We got a ground, a 5 volt, a door position, that's the feedback, and then 2 controls, so hot and a cold. So I want to be checking one, obviously the 5 volt and the low. I'll do a signal to that and then my ground on that. So if I have 5 volts, I know my ground is good and the 5 volts is good. Kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Normally I kind of just like to ground out my ground lead and just go to both of them, but yeah, we'll do both. Show it's the same thing. But then door position, I'm not gonna really pay attention to that because that's working essentially. That's why it set the code, is because it's stuck at 270 counts or whatever, 207. And so that circuit's working. And in theory, that says a 5 volt and the ground is good, but we'll check it just for the sake of checking it. And then yeah, I'll for sure want to see on this gray black and a white black some movement of some sort. 5 volts, baby. Got the ground and the 5 volts. And what I could do is, that's ground. If I go to power, so nothing, 0 volts, 0 volts. When I go to power, I'm reading 12 volts. So green, positive is my ground. Come on, little guy. We gotta go home today. It's 4:57. So there we go, connected. Blue is my 5 volts, green is my ground. Red lead to that, and it's just ground. So then this should be, if I go to my ground lead to positive, should be -12. And that's when I know I have a good ground loaded by the meter. And we obviously know we have the 5 volts. So the only one left is the 2 commands. These last 2. Get in there. Get in there. Pretty sure that's in there. I know that guy's in there. Here's a scope. Key on. Some sort of data. So the control's good. It's there. And it flatlines after a while. And no matter what I do, it doesn't come back until I go key on. We'll run it. Go all the way down to cold. Flatline. I'm gonna go hot one. One more, one more, one more. Nothing. Keep going up. Nothing. Come back down. I'm on the green lead, so we'll switch to blue. Alright, blue lead. Oh shit. Blue lead. Nothing. But it's elevated above ground. I'm gonna go key off, key on, and we still have the same control. So we're good. Dead actuator. Patcher Masters calls that circular testing. I'm testing stuff that doesn't need to be tested, I guess. But I like to be thorough. hopefully that gets me a good job one day. Now, can you use a voltmeter to test this? So the normal flat line is a 1/2 volt. I'm gonna go key off, 0, key on. So all that noise is a 6.4 volt average. So I guess you could test it with a multimeter, digital multimeter, but you're not going to get the picture of the scope. But you can measure your 5 volts, you can see control activity of some sort, and that's pretty much it. Call on the actuator. So we got the new one. Okay, so new actuator, ready to go in. So what I did is put data backup for the driver's side and then the passenger side. I took the temperature away just to make it all on one screen. This is desired and actual of the motor counts. Motor command and counts. And you can see obviously 53 and 205 don't match, but 53, 55, those are pretty close. So when I unplug it, that 205 should go away. Unplugged. Drivers, it actually affected the drivers for some reason, but that passenger 206, 205 went down to 0. So now you can see they're in slightly different positions. So when I plug it in, it's either gonna move and or for sure change the data. Alright, so there we go. It's already moving. Hopefully you saw that. And there was the movement. It went straight up to whatever. Let's see. I'll pause it. Let me zoom in. So boom, connected it. And it read the position it was in real quick, which was 106 apparently, and then you saw the arm move. So it was the curve down is the arm moving into position 53, I would assume. So I'm gonna save this just to save it. Go back to record, and then now they should match. Yeah, and I'm sure we saw that. What moves? So, arm back in, and she should work. But we can, for the heck of it, so we're at 60. Go hot, hot, hot. And boom. There she blows. Now we're on full hot. Now, 90 degrees, now we're full hot, but it didn't change. So 90, 80, it's the exact same setting. So watch when it changes. $73, $72, 1. So 71 is when it changes. 71 to 90, there's no change. That's gonna be a fix. I've already showed you the temperature is the same when you move the door, so no need to show you that. We're all good. We're fixed here, baby. Passenger side blend door. Air temperature, actuator, air mix motor. Come on, SA. So alright, we're done. Diagnostic Dentist out.